calculating optimum trajectory for successful spike.
Good calculating, Cerebrix.
Yeah, but not good enough. Get it done, Don.
I can't believe I missed it.
All right.
Thrill of victory surging through EPU.
We lost 3 in a row.
We'll get them next time. I feel it in my wheels.
Wow.
That cat's been sitting out there for 2 days now.
That's Wixker. If she's out there, you're in trouble.
How so?
Well, it pretty much means that you've got Chedrix.
There are Chedrix? Right here in the house?
Wixker will take care of it. Here, look. Robot cats are awesome. Abby and I did a report on them for history class.
That's right. It all started because Bubbletown was so clean. With no garbage to eat at all, the mice left town.
And with no mice around, the cats did nothing but lie around and eat. Kind of like someone we know.
Hey! Watch it!
Anyway, Robix Corp made robotic mice called Chedrix, you know, to get the cats back in shape. But the cats were no match for the Chedrix. All over Bubbletown, you would see mice picking on cats, teasing them, making them look so stupid.
It was so embarrassing that pretty soon all the cats picked up and left town.
Now, just like our pal here, the Chedrix were programmed to eat.
They'd eat anything and everything.
And they were going into houses and scaring people.
So in order to control the Chedrix, they created robot cats like Wixker over here.
Since then, the balance of nature has returned to Bubbletown.
Wixker doesn't look like much of a hunter.
Oh, you wouldn't want to be a mouse with her around, believe me.
Huh? Wixker's on the move. Guys, come out here!
I didn't mean to catch it. Mouse! Oh no!
Get off me, little guy.
Go get him! Go get him, cat!
Wow, that cat's really cooking.
They're heading for the door.
It's open! Oh no! Cubix, get them! My dad said if there's any mess, he's gonna ground me for a week.
I'm off.
Let's head them off in the living room.
Right.
Scoop him up.
I'm trying.
Get him!
Over there!
I got you, mouse. Come back here.
I got it!
In the future, not so far away, it's the dawning of an all-new day. Robots for everyone. Machines that care could be our friends, side by side until the end. Robots for everyone. They build special powers right inside.
Hundreds of models from which to choose.
With emotion-driven
When the
EPUs.
worlds of good and bad collide, gotta fight day and night. 'Cause you got a robot who sets everything right. Cubix, powers beyond compare. Cubix, evil forces better beware. Cubix, when there's trouble, we will always be there. Robots for everyone. Cubix.
I don't like mice, not at all!
I don't either, Abby. They make my EPU skip. Hey, get out and don't come back. I told them. Oh, what a pigsty.
Everything seems quiet here.
Gotta go! I wish I could stay!
I gotta go too. I have that thing. Yeah.
See you, Connor. I have that, thingamabob.
Wait a minute, guys!
Oh, have a lovely evening.
Oh, thanks. They're all acting kind of strange. Oh, Connor, I hope you cleaned up the house. Oh, what a mess.
That's the most preposterous story I've ever heard. You expect me to believe that a robot cat named Wixker
and 3 Chedricks ran into the house and made this mess?
They did. It's the truth.
Are you sure you and your friends weren't playing ball or robo-tag inside the house?
It was Whisker the cat and 3 robotic Chedricks.
All right, I'm gonna give you one last chance to come clean. And I don't want to hear anything about a cat and 3 robotic Chedricks. You got that?
But that's the truth.
Stop saying it's the truth.
Dad, there they are.
Yeah, right. Whoa!
Look, Dad, it's Whisker and the 3 Chedricks.
Grab a hold of them, Connor. Come on, hurry up. Get him, Connor!
I will. Gotcha!
This one's mine. They're fast.
Not that fast.
Heads up, Cubix!
Gotcha! Get back over here. I'll get him. Wait, Cubix. I got him. Ow! I hit my toe. We're never gonna catch them, and neither is that cat Whisker. So, I called a professional. He'll be here in the morning.
Where'd you find him?
From an ad in the Bubbletown Bulletin. It'll be fine.
Rid's the name. Catching mice is my game.
We're glad you're here. I hope you can get those blasted mice out of my house.
Chill out, big guy. There isn't a mouse born, manufactured, or engineered that I can't catch. Guaranteed.
Okay. All right, Connor. Show Mr. Rid around the house. I'm off to the donut shop. I'll check back in a little while.
Step aside, kid. Gotta let these rodents know who's the boss right from the start. You're either a man or a mouse. Well, I'm a robot, but you get my point.
Aha! Mr. Rid, if you're looking for...
Be quiet, kid. I have a job to do here.
Mr. Rid, right behind you on the counter, there's a...
What part of shut your trap didn't you understand? I'm getting close. I can feel it. There you are. I knew I'd find you. This isn't even sport. Let's play some hide and squeak. I'll give you a head start. Go! Here I come.
Hey, careful!
I got it.
You can run, but you can't hide.
Hey! What are you doing?
They can hear you. They got nests in them walls, and probably a network of tunnels.
Huh?
That's right. And the only way to get them is to go in there after them. So I'm going in, through that hole.
What? How are you gonna do that?
With this contraption. I just got it.
Whoa, what is that thing?
Amazing, isn't it? I bought it off of some crazy scientist at a yard sale. Got it cheap, too. This pony is one of a kind. And it's gonna change the nature of mice hunting forever. What's more, it came with a 5-year warranty that includes parts and labor. I give you the incredible shrinking machine.
Did you say shrinking machine?
Shrinking.
That's right. It's gonna make me so small, the mice will have nowhere to hide. Wherever they go, I'll follow.
Mr. Rid, if that thing really works, why did this guy sell it to you?
He didn't have a lot of options. See, he went over the 20-minute time limit. Poor little guy.
What happened to him?
Let's just say he couldn't reach the on switch anymore. Not even on his tippy toes.
What does that mean? Did he...
Here we go. 10, 9, 8. Huh? What the? Hey, what's going on? Oh.
What just happened?
I think we shrunk.
Big time! Where did Rid go?
I don't know.
Clock's ticking, boys. We only have 20 minutes to net the vermin and get the machine working.
Uh-oh. Well, let's get out of here.
Right.
You're a little big, but like they say, the bigger they come, the harder they fall. So come here, fall guy. Well, that's what I call netting the gross. You, of course, being the gross one. Oh! You know, gross isn't necessarily a bad thing. It can mean large, too. Or lots of dozens.
How is shrinking this small supposed to help you catch mice?
You know what they say. If you want to catch a mouse, you have to shrink like one.
That's think like one, not shrink like one.
Oh!
Uh-oh. All right, it's Wixker! Go, Wixker!
Keep your eye on the clock, kid. 18 minutes left.
Oh, my dad's coffee table.
Forget the coffee table. If I were you, I'd get that machine fixed.
No, our brand new TV.
Listen up, kid. In 18 minutes, we won't be able to change back to normal size ever.
You mean we'll be stuck like this?
In 17 minutes.
Why, you...
There they go.
Wait!
I'll get
Come
'em.
back here! In 17 minutes, we're gonna be shrunk forever. Cubix, let's see if we can get that machine working.
Let's go.
Don't touch the wires. They might be live.
Okay,
Cubix, there's the missing piece.
I'll get it.
I should be able to reconnect it pretty easily. Then we can change back to normal size before we become cheese substitute.
Mouse alert, mouse alert.
Huh? Oh no! He's taking the missing piece! Come on, Cubix, let's get him! Whoa! Hey, you, get back here! Go, Cubix! Made it by a whisker. Phew.
That was a close one.
Yeah, we were almost cat chow. I hope this isn't what I think it is. I don't like spiders. No ifs, ands, or buts. I didn't mean that kind of butt. Let's bust through.
You got it.
All right. Way to get us out of a sticky situation. Hey, what's that? Look, there's the rook my dad lost. And he thought that Mixmut ate it. Huh? Ah! Faster! Come on, he's gaining on us! Wanna get some pizza?
I don't think so. I feel bad.
About what?
About pizza?
Connor. I hope he didn't get grounded.
Me too.
Hey, maybe we should check in on him.
Oh.
Yeah, let's go.
Can we stop for pizza first?
Mom?
Go, Cubix, go! It's my room. I don't want to be small like this for the rest of my life. I'd have to jump on the keyboard just to type one letter. Huh? Lid?
Do you give up yet? I'll give you one more chance.
Maybe that guy should get rid of himself. Huh? There's the mouse! He's got the missing piece! We have to catch him, Cubix! Oh no! Hey! Get off that! You'll bust it! All right, Cubix! This is so cool! Yeah! I built this in the 5th grade for science class, but I never actually thought I'd get to fly it. Woohoo! Cubix, bogey at 9 o'clock. Let's move out.
Roger that.
Target identified and tracking signal locked on. Yeehaw!
Hey, Mouse, we're on your tail.
Cubix, you go north, I'll go south. Huh?
It's open. Hey, Connor! I don't see him. Connor? Hello?
Oh, it's still a mess.
It sure is. Even worse than yesterday.
I wonder what happened.
Abby! I'm down here! Hey, over here!
Is that you, Connor?
Yeah.
Whoa!
What the?
I get rid of you. You don't get rid of me. That's why I'm called Rid.
Yeah! We gotta get this thing hooked back up. Cubix and I are goners. Come on. If time runs out, we won't be able to return to normal size. Not ever.
Here. Don't worry. We can do this.
Yeah, no problem.
Only 3 minutes are left. We better go find Rid.
Let's go.
I think an Edgar sleeve would do it.
No, I'd go for a coupler bolt.
2 on 1 and you still can't beat me. Ha ha! I wouldn't try out for the airborne trapeze just yet. Uh-oh. Why'd I have to mention airborne? Help me! Help me! Somebody! Help me! Ah! Listen, guys. Can I call a timeout? Just this once, please?
Cubix, crisscross. We're coming, Rid. Hang in there. Hey, Mouse. Say cheese.
Sidestep.
Ditto.
I told you mice not to mess with Rid. I am the Master Mouse Hunter after all.
Come on, climb aboard.
Did you see how I set them up for you? Like fish in a barrel.
Be quiet, Rid. We have a job to do here.
Connor, the machine's ready. Come on. Hurry up.
All right. Whoa!
I'll stop him! Ah!
All right, Wixter. Way to go.
Hurry up, Connor.
We're in.
Let's hope those mice are all gone. And the house is cleaned up.
Cubix, can you give me a hand?
This time we're gonna help clean up. Right, guys?
That's right.
We sure are.
Rid's still my name. Catching mice is still my game. Bet you guys want to call the timeout now. Sorry, game's over.
Watch out!
All right, everything seems quiet.
Huh. I don't think that machine's working quite right.
Hey, get away from me!
There they are!
Look at the roof!
Oh no! I gotta put a slice of pizza under that machine. Each pepperoni will be as big as a frisbee. Or I could make a foot long into a mile long.
That'll last you 2 days.